iReports is an online platform where we gather your production, process and machinery data. We can automatically collect data from many different sources such as PLC, DCS, HMI, SCADA. If the data cannot be collected automatically, we can build forms that lets an operator enter data manually from any computer, or our own terminals. All the data is uploaded to our servers and saved in our databases. We keep your data safe, in sync and always available, and you can always download the data for your own calculations. We save any data that you would like to trace, such as process data, set points, recipes, alarms, events. You can use our built-in function or export the raw data. Every business has its own needs and we tailor all functions based on these needs. The Trend tool shows you a graphical overview of values collected. You can zoom in on specific times and dates, and get the minimum, maximum and average values based on the selected time. The data can also be exported just as with everything else. The Alarm Analyzer lets you show the most occurring alarms during a period of time. You can display alarms by time or by the number of occurrences. You get a summary of the alarms that have occurred. With the text search tool you can search for specific alarms. You can also view all of the alarms by the click of a button. Reports will be generated based on specified dates. Here you can see all of the planned and unplanned stops. Many different tools can be used in conjunction to get a new overview. Here you can see different sections where stops have occurred. Further down you can see what position and cause. By clicking a section you will only get the positions and causes within the section. The same goes when clicking a position. Of course, a summary with time and occurrences are presented. We have a number of default reports, which may be fully customized. This is the batch report. This report is built by automatic data retrieval and can also take manual data input from an operator. This batch analyzer tool was specifically built for a customer. It shows you the normal distribution curve of the particle sizes. Search for a batch between dates and it will show you if the particle size is within the limit of your choosing. It also shows the mean, standard deviation and how many samples the data was collected from. As you can see, there are innumerable different types of reports. This is the Pick Sample tool. The types of tests are easily customized. Specify the type of sample, date, name and the total weight of the sample. You can now specify the different types of materials found in the sample by weight, and it will automatically calculate the percentage. Add a comment if you need to tell your co-workers something about the test. A report will automatically be generated based on the inputs. It is very easy to change values or delete a sample. The notification center will let you know if things doesn't go as planned. You will be notified if data does not reach us within a specified amount of time, or the data collected by us does not match your target value. You can be notified by email or a text message. Here you can also get notified if multiple alarms occur. Add notification groups and get statistics of different type of notifications that have been sent. The maintenance system in iReports is a tool that gives you an overview of what is going on. The first view is the calendar view. Here you can see what is planned or add new events. You can select what type of job, when, and where. You can also prioritize this job. Add the event as a routine if you would like it to be automatically planned in advance. Add images to facilitate the job for the person performing it. Next up, an overview of all work orders are shown. You can easily preview them and manage them. The routines are as easily managed as the work orders. Search by different names or parts to see what is planned or what has already been performed. The plant register shows an overview of all the different machines and parts. Here you can bind spare parts and get a printable registry. Add all of your distributors and spare parts to have a central place for your information. Adding tabs based on your needs is no hassle, and we are happy to do it for you. This is a tab where the cleaning staff can sign what part of the plant has been cleaned and when. All of the data that are put on our servers are available for you. With this data export tool you can choose batches to export, and in what format. Supported formats include but are not exclusive to Excel, CSV, SKV, etc. The data can be split into different pages for Excel for an easy read. This tool can also compress the data to a zip file. You can export more than 1 million data points in one file. If you need anything else, we'll build it for you.